Hey guys, today I would like to introduce you the improved 701 fairing kit. Based on your feedback and our riding experience, we have improved several important things. The improvement number one is a shader that eliminates the light reflection that was going back to the rider from the windscreen. When we do some improvements on our kits, we always think about our existing customers, and in this case also. And we have good news for you. If you want to do the upgrade for the light reflection, it's quite easy for you, because the windscreen as such, the overall shape, holes and everything remain the same. The only difference is this cut here. It's larger and is missing the bridge. If you want to upgrade your kit with the anti-glare solution, then you can order from us just the windscreen with enlarged hole, the shader, the sticker and plexi covers.